Hello everyone, today we will talk about a very important thing, how to make money online. Okay, in this way it's very easy to make money, even it's not too much, but it's a very easy, it's very good. Okay, the first thing, we must download this application, Video VTop. Okay, after we download, we will open the application. Now, for example, here there is views. If I watch this video, for example, this one, tap here.
Всем привет, дорогие друзья. Если вы вдруг испугались, что же делать? Где же это изи?
Okay. After 30 seconds, I will earn Vive. Okay. This money in this application is the Vive. We can withdraw this Vive to real money. Okay. Let's see now.
Проведем какой-нибудь эксперимент или в общем что-нибудь придумаем и будет интересно, да. Переходим уже к самой новой рубрике. Думаю, вам понравится.
Now check. I have earned 5 Vive. Okay. For example, this is ads. I will click. Now I will go back to the application. Now I earned 10 Vive. Okay, it's working like this. For example, likes. When I like this video, I will earn 2. Now guys, I will press here. There is option withdraw money. Okay, see, you don't have enough funds. I must have 15,000 Vive to earn money. Okay, now we must know how much the 15,000 Vive in dollar. Okay, 1,005, it's almost $2. Okay, it means 15,000 Vive, almost $30. Okay, I can make 15,000 or more. It's very easy. Only I will watch videos. It's a very easy way, okay, to get money online. I hope everyone you like my video. Don't forget to like and subscribe my channel if you like. Okay, thank you guys. Bye bye.